Okay, so I don't know if I have the footage to me unboxing this wine color wig, but it is cute and it's from Unice. Okay, now I went and I already did the baby hairs, but it comes already ready to wear it. But you know me, I have, and when I say I have to go in and do a little bit more customizing because that's just what I like to do. Okay, so I did go ahead and pluck it a little bit more just to give it a little bit more of a natural look. I did do baby hairs and I did press it off camera. So this is what she looks like. She is thick, like
And that thick.
Always been this thick.
I heard you talking about me.
Always.
like a natural good density. Okay, these are the ends, and we're just gonna go ahead and toss her on. I'm gonna apply her with some Red by Kiss Lace Bond spray, and then I also have Got to Be, and where's the other thing? A little bit of boho to lay the edges down. So we're gonna do a nice little bone install. Today is Saturday and I'm going outside, so let's do the hair. Bomb, just bomb out the box, bomb out the box. Okay, so this is what the lace is looking like directly on my skin tone. It is a bit ashy, so I am gonna go in with my cream foundations from Ruby Kisses, and I have a makeup brush to do that as well. I'm gonna take a little bit, and I'm in the shade 16. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and I'm gonna put it on the lace so it can blend in with my skin tone.
Y'all see how ashy that lace is? So I am going to go in with a little bit of makeup. Do not overdo the makeup because it will look cakey on you, and you want this to look as natural as possible. So you see that? It's blending with the skin. So honestly, like, I haven't been feeling gluing down my wigs. So I've been leaning towards the sprays, and I love this one, okay? Like, if you try anything, then I tell you, try this spray. So I like to spray it on, blow dry it until it gets tacky, lay the lace down, blow dry it until it's fully dry. And I usually use cold or warm settings, okay? And then I do that to the whole hairline. And all glues are not created equal, especially spray adhesive glues, because they're high in alcohol. So I like this one because it's not. I've used Eben before, but that particular, like, Eben hairspray glues, eat your edges down, okay? Like, you will not have any edges after a month of using that. So my suggestion for you guys is to, when you do use these sprays, when you take off your wig, wash your edges, put some conditioner on them, and put some oils or leave-in or whatever like that to hydrate them back, because these sprays do indeed have alcohol in them, and you want to make sure that you are protecting yourself from breakage and just your hair falling off, friend. Okay, so this is the packaging that I wanted to show you guys. It's a little cute little pink packaging. It comes with a elastic band, well, melting band, a wig cap, and an edge brush. But I'm gonna use a different edge brush because, you know, this one already got my little product embedded in it, and that's when they be the best. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray it a little bit with a little bit of Got to Be spray, and just like kind of lay the baby hairs. I don't want them plastered on my face, so I'll only use a little bit. And I'm just gonna make them just a little neater than what they are. I don't really be tripping because I kind of like fluffy baby hairs in anyways. So I'm just making it sure that they just kind of laying down how I like them anyway. So for me, the spray is not enough. So I have to go in with a little bit of Boho Active or any type of like lace adhesive glue. And I like to put it like the smallest amount on the edge of the lace, just to make sure that I'm not flapping in the streets. Like, I cannot stand that. Like, when my lace is lifting up in the front and it's just clockable, like, girl, like, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. So I take a little bit of glue, I lay it down, and then I end up doing the melting method. So I take a little bit of any type of spray, I'll spray it on my fingers, and then I'll push it into the glue, and then I'll take the melting band, make sure it's super tight, and I will melt for a couple of minutes. The most I'll probably do is like 20, but if if I'm in the middle of something like I was doing today, like I was brushing my son's hair, then I had it on a little bit longer. But yeah.
Okay, so I let this marinate for about an hour. I went to go braid my son's hair. So let's see what the milk is giving. Oh yeah, she's looking real good. Real good. Okay.
Honestly, I really love this color on me. What do you guys think? I think the color suits me really well, and the fact that this is already pre-colored and you don't have to do it yourself. Chef's kiss. Okay, if you guys are interested in this wig, this is a 24-inch. I'll have all the information down below in the description box for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, bye best friends.